Hey, Tech Guy Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to change your email address in Notion. So this process might vary depending on how you signed up to Notion. I signed up with my Gmail account, so I'll show you what I mean. So I'll click on my space and then click on settings. Then I'm going to click on my name in the top left hand corner. So in the email section, I have an option to manage my emails. When I click on that, I can't change my email, but I can add a new email address, which will then give me the ability to log into Notion with multiple email addresses managed under one account. If you signed up with an email and a password, you might see an option here to change your email. So if you see that, all you have to do is click on change your email, add your current email and password in, and you can change it that way. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.